It's been a little bit since we've done a Sunday shout out and mail call episode, but I'm going to be doing one today. I will tell you that I have a lot of packages here. Some will make it into the video, but I want to thank each and every one of you who has sent me some mail. That being said, let's see what we got. Today's first piece of mail comes from Angelo, who said, Rob, go ahead and give away a couple of 2020 Mint State pennies for your giveaways on your stream. Very cool. Thank you, Angelo. My next items come from Scott Parnaby. He sent me two 2015 cents. He wants one to be an EOS, maybe one for myself. Now you're saying, Rob, what's so special about a 2015 Philadelphia minted shield cent? Let me show you. 2015 has a beautiful DDO. You can see the doubled serif on the 2 down there. The extra thick 0, 1, 5, you name it. Take a look at that doubling. Beautiful DDO. Now this one has not been officially recognized by PCGS yet, but it's only a matter of time. It's way too heavy of doubling, and this is a beauty. He also sent a second one, like he said, to use as a giveaway. This one's nice. It does have some toning, but it also is most certainly, without a doubt, the DDO. So we'll give one away. I'll keep one for my collection. Thank you very much, Scott. And all of you, keep an eye out for that 2015 Philadelphia Minted Shield Cent DDO. Figured I'd show this. Madam B's Treasure says to Rob, here's a surprise just for you. And she knows I love the Prospector rounds, whether it's silver or copper, they're beauties. Thank you, Madam B's Treasure. I will treasure this Prospector round. My next package came from JC. And he says, Rob, I understand your birthday's on May 5th, so I got you a May 5th birthday note, 1,000 yen, as well as some cool Japanese coins. These coins are for the new dating period in Japan. That way it matches the change in emperor. So some beautiful Japanese Mint State coins here. I will be adding those beauties to my collection. Thank you very much, JC, for thinking of me. My next package came from Michaela and Alex. Now, first and foremost, they sent me a whole bunch of 2020 American Samoa San Francisco minted quarters. A couple for me, one for a giveaway, and one for Charlani. Very cool. A few other foreign goodies. So thank you, Michaela and Alex. And then some coins to check out. The 2 nickels you wanted me to check out are just post-mint damage. Someone tried to clip the heck out of this one, but just some post-mint damage on these 2. This 43 steel cent, yeah, definitely a 43 steel cent. The problem is this is one of those re-zinced ones or replated ones, so pretty common to see it in great shape like this when they've been replated, as a lot of them have been. The interesting find is this 1966 quarter in question, and this thing is crazy. So you can tell by the lack of detail, definitely odd. When I weighed it on my scale, it's only 5.2 grams. So it's light, first of all. Sounds funny, doesn't sound like clad, and it's definitely not silver for sure. I went ahead and scratched the rim of it right there. And what's odd about this is not a US minted quarter. This is a forge or a fake. This has been cast. Somebody cast this using a metal that's close in weight to the clad composition. Not quite, but if you take a look at this coin under the scope, you can see how much detail it is lacking. It's completely lacking detail. The obverse is actually not as bad as the reverse. The reverse, there's pretty much no detail. You've got some cracking lines in it right there as it was poured in consistently all over the place. It's just a very poor example of a quarter, but a pretty decent example of one that was poured from a sand casting. And anyway, long story short is I took a look and scratched the rim, and definitely not a clad quarter. it's not even a real quarter. It's actually a pretty decent fake. Now, I don't think this would pass the Coinstar test because of its weight, but somebody put some work into this to try to perfect their craft, and it's most definitely a fake. For those wondering what metal I believe this is, I think it is pewter, and I've already tested it. Pewter will always leave a dark line when dragged across a sheet of paper, and as you can see, this one does that. Pretty positive that this has been forged using pewter. Anyway, just wanted to point that out to you guys for those that were wondering what composition it could have been. Wanted to thank Michaela and Alex for the goodies, stuff for the giveaway for Charlani and I, and a chance to look at a pretty cool fake quarter. My next package comes from Yacht A 99, or Tom. He said, Rob, upgrade that 82 copper cent, please. Here's one for the album. Thank you, Yacht A 99. Also a 200 Lear. He says they don't make them anymore for the coin album. 1979. And even some beautiful gems for Charlani. Thank you, Yacht A 99, or Tom. I'll go ahead and upgrade my album, add this to my collection, and give these to Charlani. My next package comes from Merman. He says, Rob, life in the investment banking world hasn't been a lot of fun lately, but clicking on you and watching your Wednesday and Friday live feeds has become for me an enjoyable diversion. Love the energy, passion for all the coins, and compassion for your fellow man. Just a few giveaway goodies from your brother. Oh yeah, he loves Charlani too. Check these out. 5 beautiful San Antonio Missions W quarters for giveaways. Thank you, Merman. Bingo bango. How cool is this next goodie from Juan Camacho? He sent me a 1948 5 pesos, 90% silver, Los Estados Unidos Mexicanos coin. Unbelievable. And it's in beautiful shape. And then for funsies, he put the 3 9s fine round as an EOS. Wow. Beautiful, Juan Camacho. The real deal for me, and a 3 9s fine silver round for the EOS. Holy cow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today's next package is another giving package by Josh Carver. He says he loves being part of the community and wanted to share some of the generosity that he has seen. So he sent me 3 rounds. He says, Rob, pick whichever one you want and give the other 2 away as EOSs. We've got an Australian kangaroo. Beautiful. We've got a Somali Republic African elephant. Gotta love it. And of course, a United States American Silver Eagle, which I'll probably keep that one and give those bad boys away. Thank you, Josh. How awesome is that? More goodies for the giveaways. My next set of items actually came from John Mack. No note, no nothing, although we did exchange emails, and he sent me 3 full rolls of 2020 Philadelphia minted nickels and 5 rolls of some 2020 Philadelphia minted pennies. Now, he sent these for me technically. He said I could do with them as I please, but he did say if the viewers out there are interested in these, he might consider sending more for me to send as giveaways. That being said, I do not want to be greedy. I would like to keep at least a roll of each for me, but I'll definitely include some of these in future stream giveaways if you guys think this is something you'd like. If it is, leave a comment down below so that I know you're interested in 2020 Philadelphia minted coins. Thanks, John Mack. My next package came from Slade, who said, Rob, enjoy some copper. Slade, I will. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. My next item came from Mark Burnett. Sent me a beautiful Nashville Predators against Dallas Stars, the Winter Classic 2020 commemorative coin. Only 5,000 of these bad boys made. They have a little bit of 24 karat gold flash plated on it. Mark, thank you much. I will add this to my collection. For sake of time, I can't go through the entire book, but Justin, aka YouTube channel US Patriot, sent me a bunch of the foreign coins that he doesn't collect. He does collect other things, but he doesn't collect the foreign coins and wanted me to have them. Justin, thank you for the kind letter, the cool foreigns. And Justin, I do want to point out, I really love that Nolan Ryan pin from 1984. Brings back fond memories of me when I collected these baseball pins, as well as the baseball stickers for that stamp and sticker set they made back in 84 as well. Very cool stuff, brother. Just wanted to give you a shout out, let you know that yes, I saw it, and I'll be sure to check out your channel. My next item comes from Ben Walwork, who says, hey guys, as you've heard in the stream, I had a heap of coins for free and would like to share with the community. There are 10 uncirculated 2016 changeover $2 carded coins, and I put a special one in for you. So here are the $2 carded coins. This is celebrating the 50th anniversary of the decimal system in Australia. The special one he sent me is a PCGS graded MS66. Can't get mad at that. He also enclosed the 1 kangaroo penny for my collection. Thank you, Ben. A 1943, ironically the same one we found roll hunting halves the other night on the live stream. And the 11th carded coin he put in a separate envelope for a guy that we know can't win. Yes, we know who it is. LOL. He actually finally won on one of my live streams, but he's got a package right there from Ben. Thanks for all the great content and all that you do for the coin community, Ben. Ben, thank you, brother. I'll be sure to hand out 5 of these on a few of streams each. Everyone would love to have a 50th anniversary decimal currency celebration carded $2 coin. How cool is that? Thank you for the extra goodies, my friend, and keep an eye out for these on a future stream. I just wanted to make sure that Kelly knew that I received the rolls of pennies that you have gifted me. I also read your letter, and I appreciate the kind words. The bag came in damaged, and a few of the pennies have spilled out, but it looks like everything should be here. Again, Kelly, thank you for the gift and the kind words. Well, I think we're going to go ahead and cut it off for this Sunday shout out and mail call. I do have 5 or 6 other packages that I will put aside and maybe do another Sunday shout out and mail call next week. I do want to let everyone know I don't plan on getting back into doing these Sunday shout out and mail call episodes every week, but I will do them periodically. Some packages you send will make the mail call video, some just won't. But at the end of the day, I do want to thank each and every one of you who has sent me a package, whether it made the video or not. You guys are awesome, and how cool is it that we've got other items that we can give away for the end of stream giveaways or during the stream giveaways for my live streams. Hopefully you enjoyed this Sunday shout out mail call video. It's been a while. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.